Alright folks, kailangan namin tong i-share sa inyo. Ang Zimmer M1 Pro ay isa sa pinakamurang portable projectors your money can buy. If you are looking to have that big screen or theater experience right at the comfort of your own home or kahit sa labas man ng bahay nyo, imagine a theater or television that you can bring anywhere at kasya sa bag nyo. You might want to take a look at what this projector can offer. We have been using this projector for a few months. That's why we can give you a detailed, honest review, not just an impression of what this projector is all about. So stick around and we will answer frequently asked questions to guide you kung dapat nyo ba itong i-add to cart at i-check out. So first round of questions, magkano to? What size of screen and image quality can this project? Maliwanag ba to kahit sa painted wall lang i-project? Pwede ba manood dito kahit bukas ang ilaw? Meron ba itong sariling speakers? Amazingly, this projector can display sufficiently bright, clear, and sharp images kapag itinapat mo sa isang flat painted wall or even better sa isang projector screen na nasa dark or dimly lit environment at tamang distansya. In terms of screen size naman, ang pinakasagad nito ay 120 inches. Meron itong LED lens, 1080p resolution, at ayon sa Zimmer, meron itong 4K HDR decoding. Sa aming actual testing, up to 1080p ang resolution nito. And ayon sa nakikita nyo ngayon, sapat naman ang tingkad ng kulay at liwanag nito, di ba? Kaya maganda itong alternative sa mga televisions. We have been pleasantly surprised at the brightness and colors it delivers kahit hindi gaanong kataasan ng kanyang 280 ANSI lumens. Ano ang ANSI lumens, you might ask? Ang ibig sabihin ng ANSI ay American National Standards Institute, which is the organization that sets the standard for measuring the brightness of projectors. Itong Zimmer M1 Pro, mura lang at basic projector pero malupit. Masasabi naming sulit ang binayad namin na 5,000 plus pesos. Lalo pat yung nabili namin ay may kasama ng projector screen, HDMI at video kay microphone. Akala nga namin dati, para magkaroon ka ng projector na ganito ang quality, you have to spend 10,000 pesos or more. Pero hindi naman pala. At eto nga, napawaw nga ako dito nung nanood ako using just a yellow painted cement wall. Ang linaw niya, kaya nga lagi ko na tong dinadala basta may makita akong pader. Joke lang. I mean, pwedeng-pwede nyo itong dalhin kahit saang room or lugar na kailangan nyo ng TV. And yung question naman kung maliwanag ba to, kung bukas ang pinto, bintana, or bukas ang ilaw. Well, right now, nanonood ako while the door is open. As you can see, goods and watchable picture quality ang nakikita nyo. Pwede ring may konting ilaw sa isang part ng room. Basta wag lang masyadong tutok sa projector screen. Some online shopping apps like Lazada and Shopee would say na meron itong 4K or HDR decoding. So ano naman ang ibig sabihin ng decoding? Okay, ang ibig sabihin lang nun ay kaya nitong mag-play ng video na 4K or HDR ang pagkakagawa. Pero ang gagawin ng projector na to ay ibababa niya yon sa 1080p. Kayo na mag-judge if pwede na ba ang ganitong projector for alternative viewing purposes. Ang kinagandahan pa dito sa Zimmer M1 Pro, may kasama na tong speaker na malakas at hindi nyo na kailangang kabitan pa ng Bluetooth speaker. Pero pwede kayong magkabit ng Bluetooth speaker at earphones kung mas preferred nyo yun. Napaka-convenient din na meron itong built-in Android 9 na pre-installed with YouTube at Netflix. Pwede ring downloadan ng iba pang apps gaya ng NBA at Signal Play, kaya hindi nyo na kailangang bumili or kabitan pa ito ng TV box or Chromecast. Pero kung gusto nyo, pwede naman dahil meron itong HDMI slots sa likod. Nakapanood na ako dito ng mga live games ng NBA via League Pass and also PBA games, Itbulaga, Showtime, and other series via Signal Play. You can plug a laptop kung need nyo mag-present ng slides or content sa school or office. Pwede rin kabitan ng USB device which you can use as a source to play your personal collection of videos. It also supports mirroring or casting for iOS at Android device. Easy to use and navigate ang Zimmer M1 Pro tulad ng isang smart TV. Mabilis ang scrolling and switching from one app to another. Kahit manual focusing lang meron ito, madali lang yun gawin using the focus wheel found at the top of the projector. You can also easily align the sides and corners of the screen using the remote control. Pumunta kayo sa settings, then use the big circle of the remote that has directional arrows para i-adjust kada sides. Press the inner circle which serves as the OK button para i-confirm kung okay na sa inyo ang isang setting. Ang galing din ng heat management ng projector na to. Kahit na 4 o 5 oras namin gamitin, hindi nagiinit. Kaya hindi siya fire hazard. Tahimik din ang sound ng fan ng projector na to, especially when you are already watching videos. Matibay ba ang projector na to? Well, 6 months na namin tong ginagamit and the performance is still as good as new. Ang lamp lifespan nito ay 30,000 hours, which means pwede tong tumagal ng 10 years kung gagamitin nyo ito ng 8 hours a day. Rechargeable ba to? Hindi. Kailangan itong ikabit sa electrical outlet para gumana. Mas mababa ba ang electric consumption nito kaysa sa smart TV? Ito ay may 65 watts kumpara sa typical 115 watts ng mga smart TVs na 75 inches pataas. So ano ang aming overall recommendation kung for checkout ba ang projector na to or pass muna? Well, this is a good buy kung need nyo talaga ng on-the-go TV na pwedeng iset up sa isang room. For example, a game room where you don't want to install a TV permanently. A few reminders lang. Having a quality projector screen such as an ambient light rejection screen would really level up your viewing experience. It would also be great to have a tripod for easily adjusting the projector's height and angle. The Zimmer M1 Pro has a 1/4-inch mount compatible to camera tripods. Kung walang tripod, safe naman tong ilagay sa ibabaw lang ng table dahil may anti-slip rubber feet. Product links are in the video description. This may not be a top-of-the-line projector pero sa murang halaga nito, it gives so much value. Ang higit isang dipang sukat na teatro gaya nito ay nagbibigay ng ilang dipang kasiyahan. Sabi ni David Ansen, isang kilalang kritiko ng pelikula, tayo ang pelikula at ang pelikula ay tayo. Kaya kung manonood ng salamin ng ating buhay, bigyang halaga na rin natin kung saan natin ito panonoorin. At dyan nagtatapos ang video na to. Nood ulit kayo sa susunod. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to watch more from our channel.